Hi, everybody. Happy Tuesday to you. 3 News senior meteorologist Matt Wentz with a look at your forecast here. We've got snow overspreading all of northern Ohio as of this recording here. That snow will stick around as we get through the afternoon into the evening hours. This is all with a reinforcing shot of cold air coming in. And boy, has it been cold today. Temperatures are going to take a dive tonight back into the single digits once again. The snow will leave the area, but will be dealt with some lingering lake effect snow. Doesn't look to be too big of a deal, but it should be pretty persistent out east of Cleveland, especially up towards Erie throughout the day tomorrow. A few additional inches expected there. Otherwise, just another cold day tomorrow with a snow flurry or two outside of the snow belt. Highs will get up near 20 degrees. We have more snow on the way on Thursday. This will be a clipper system coming out of Canada that will bring area-wide snow showers and some wind gusts with it as well. Looking pretty snowy around here on Thursday. The one thing you'll notice, temperatures though are not going to be quite as cold. We're going to be up near 30 degrees for a high on Thursday. So how much snow are we talking about? Over the course of today, an inch or two at best from that system snow moving through, but still causing problems with the cold temperatures. And in terms of lake effect, adding another inch to 3 inches overnight tonight into the daytime tomorrow. Then we'll add the Thursday snow on top of it. And you can see, I'd say a general 2 to 4 inches for everybody by the time Thursday night rolls around, with higher amounts out in the primary snow belt. So we're adding some fresh powder on this continued snow that we have on the ground, as we just haven't had warm temperatures. It's been January of old, as they say, right? In terms of temperatures, yeah, we'll get up above freezing Friday, Saturday. That's some good news, but the bad news is this comes with another storm system that develops on the heels of what is going to be just a huge Arctic air mass diving into the country. So let's take you through the long-range forecast. Here's our snow today. Here comes our clipper snow out of Canada for the daytime on Thursday. Once that heads through, we'll turn towards Arctic air diving into the central U.S. And kind of like a bathtub or a pool of water, if you push your hand down in this area, you're going to get these little spins on the eastern side of it. And that's exactly what we have. Big air mass diving south. That spins up a storm system on the eastern side of it. This storm system has changed over the last 24 hours. We're looking about 2 degrees colder. So what does that mean? Instead of a cold rain on Saturday, we're now looking at a wet snow, and things could get sloppy around here on Saturday depending on the track of that low. We'll give it another day or two to kind of organize itself in terms of the modeling. But as of right now, we're looking at wet snow on Saturday. That low heads by, but the frontal boundary is still out towards the east. So as that Arctic air is coming in Sunday, temperatures will take a dive. It'll be back to that frigid air on Sunday. But there'll be another wave of low pressure as it looks right now heading up that eastern seaboard storm system. And we'll have to keep an eye on this because these often correct west. So bottom line, we may end up with kind of a messy weekend around here with wet snow on Saturday and what could be blowing snow and just area-wide snowfall on Sunday. Again, track of the low is crucial. Stay tuned to the forecast here over the next couple days. More snow and cold next week. This shows no signs of letting up over the next 10 to 15 days. If you thought this air mass is cold that we just had, wait till you see next week. The North Pole, the polar vortex, will displace itself and come into the entire eastern 2/3 of the country. Coldest air by far of the season, slated for millions of Americans as we go into the beginning and middle half of next week. Your Union Home Mortgage 10-day forecast, lots of weather impacts on there. Today for the snow, Thursday for the snow, and then this weekend system that we need to watch. Behind that weekend system, I have us dropping to 11 degrees for a high on MLK Day. Upper single digits for a high temperature on Tuesday. We will bounce out of that pretty quickly, though, and return to at least near average by next weekend. But still, a lot of snow we're throwing on top of this snowpack that we continue to keep in this cold January. We've got your next update on the TV side of things coming your way at 4 o'clock. Have a great day. Stay warm. We'll see you then.